Annyeonghaseyo. Hi, welcome to Jhope World. I have two unboxings, so let's go ahead and get into it. We'll start with the small one first. Nothing else in the envelope. Ooh, nice freebies. I love it when he laughs and smiles. He makes me so happy. Oh, Hobie with glasses. Nothing more adorable than that. Cute freebies, I like that. Then I guess what I ordered is under here. Yep, there it is. I got a postcard and this PC of Hobie. Thanks for buying from me. I hope Hobie reached you safely. Drift. And that's their name on, and then they have this information here for their Instagram and Macari account. See, I don't know if this one came in with an army bomb or if this was with a set of rings. This photo card of Hobie. And there he is. Beautiful. Map of the Soul. All right, so that can go with my Map of the Soul cards. I'll just have to go in one of my, I think it's the 8 pocket. I'll have to put it in the 8 or, because I think the 9 pockets, the ones that sit upright. So I need to put them in the ones that go on the sides like this. So that'd be the 8 pocket. So nice PC. He looks so cute. Okay. And then the postcard. Okay, this one's from Con the Live. Ooh, nice. I'll have to look to see if there's any more postcard size photos of Jhope. Looks like there is because it says, sorry, I knocked the tripod with my hand. This is 4 of 4. So there must be 3 other postcards of Hobie that I need to hunt down from the Con the Live. And I do need to finish getting the little regular sized cards of his. I think I only have 3 from Con, which are the regular wallet, like almost like wallet size, a little bit bigger than that. They're not as big as this one. This one's much wider, so they're a little bit, you know, less in width than this one right here. So, but this is the 2 that I got from this order from Macari, and 2 freebies. Let's move on to the next package. Last one to unbox. Pull tabs are supposed to be easy. They're not making it easy for me. And nothing else on the inside. Okay, and it's just a little PC. think I got it. I think this one that I got is from Love Yourself Answer. And I have a doll of him where he looks like this. And I'll probably show that in the next clip. This is official. Oh, he looks so cute. No, this is my first Jhope PC from Love Yourself Answer. Yep, it's the official card. And in the next clip, I'll show the doll that I have of him in this outfit. It's from Mattel. It's the Prestige fashion doll of Jhope. So I'll show you that in the next clip. Here is my Prestige Jhope fashion doll from Mattel. So this is what he looks like close up. I've done an unboxing of him on my channel already. And he's giving the finger hearts. And here is the PC of Jhope wearing this outfit, which was on one of the versions of Love Yourself Answer's photo sessions. So that is my unboxing for today. Received these in the mail today. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Annyeong! Bye!